Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize the website on Ecwid for food and the beverages business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free. Okay, so you can get started free. So now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, wait a few seconds. As you see here, this is the dashboard, and here you're gonna set up your website in the storefront. Click on it and it will take you to the editor page. So here where you're gonna design and customize and edit your homepage website. So as you see here, the first thing here you have to do, you have to edit the header in the menu. So before that, go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you want to use. So for the food and beverages, I'm going to select this and I'm going to use this templates. Okay, so as you see now, you have to change first the header in the menu. Go and change, enter your company name, okay, your business name. Now go back here, you can manage the navigation menu of the store and the delivery and the contact section. Also here you can add the menu item. That's it. You can add the contact information, your phone number or your email address, and also you can add the social profiles, Facebook or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. That's it. Now let's move on to the design. So here you have to in the design of any section you have to create you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your website and attract to your business and your homepage. So try your best to make it look attractive, and don't forget the simple details. Make sure don't forget the simple details like the site logo, okay, and like the size, like the color, like the if you want to add the frame outline, it's more attractive to anyone. The background, okay. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the next section, the cover and the headline. The same thing here, you have to add your tagline, the title here. For example, you can type welcome to our site, welcome to our site for food and the beverages business. The description, you can choose your favorite description, you can change it and you can keep it just like this if you like it. Here if you want to change the image, you can change it from your library or from browser. Select image from the browser and download it. Now let's move on to the next section, the store. So here you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now okay, wait, click here, new product. So here you have to enter, add your product gallery. So go to the browser and search on food and beverages, okay. um, okay, I'm gonna select this one. Okay, you can, if you want to add two more images, or three more. Here you have to add the name of your products, the REF, the weight on kilogram. You can customize here the prices options, and also you can add the description of your product. So if you're done from here this place, go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background, the title, the product name, the product image, the product price, and the buy button. That's it. Now let's move on to the next about section. Here you can use this description to talk about your experience or your website, your business. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? That's it. You can talk about your products and why they are made. And the design here, choose your favorite one. Okay, don't forget the simple details like the background and the title and the description. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. So you can change this image if you want, an attractive description that's matched with the title and the tagline. Okay, so in the design also here the same thing, choose your favorite one. Okay, let's go back and let's move on now to the next section, the customer reviews. You can use this title here for the customer. Okay, if you want to add the review text, you can just click here, add the review text and the author name and the rating. That's it. Now let's go back. The design here, you can choose your favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. The background, you can change the color. Don't forget the color of any section, you can change. That's it. Let's go back. Now let's move on to the next section, the delivery information. The same thing, the subtitle. Here you can change the description if you want, and the design here, nothing special, the same thing as normal. Choose your favorite layout, the background, the color, the title, and the subtitle. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the next, the contacts. So here the contact section, you have to enter your business address and enter your exact postal address or the plus code, add the daily hours. Okay, and you can here you have to enter your contact information, then the social profiles, the design. Choose your favorite design. I'm gonna choose this of the map on the background. That's it. Now let's go back. So the last section, the footer section, here you have to enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. uh, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.